In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a callout block in Notion, step by step. Notion is a powerful and flexible tool for organizing your thoughts, projects, and to-do lists, and mastering callout blocks can be a handy skill in enhancing your Notion pages with important notes or highlights. So, let's dive in and see just how easy it is to use callout blocks. First, you want to navigate to the page where you'd like to add your callout block. Once you're there, simply type /callout into the page. This little command opens up a world of possibilities by creating a new callout block. After typing it, hit enter and you'll see a basic callout block appear right within your page. It's essentially a box where you can input some key information or reminders you want to stand out. The beauty of callout blocks is that they're not just about inserting text. They let you visually emphasize specific content, making it much easier to grab attention. Now that you have your callout block in place, you might want to make it a bit more visually appealing or personalized. To do that, let's focus on customizing the icon. Each callout block in Notion comes equipped with a default icon located on the left side of the callout box. Click on this icon and you'll open up a menu that gives you a few creative options to choose from. If you prefer something simple and fun, you can select any standard emoji. Emojis are a quick way to convey emotions or themes at a glance, perhaps a light bulb for ideas, or a check mark for a completed task. If you're leaning towards something a bit more standardized, you can browse through Notion's built-in icon library. This is a fantastic resource if you want your pages to maintain a cohesive look with consistent icon styles and colors. For those who like a personal touch, you might consider uploading your own image. This allows you to use an icon that perfectly matches your content's unique style or theme. To ensure the image looks best, try using a 2180x280 pixel image with a transparent background. This ensures clarity and nicely fits within Notion's formatting. And if static images just don't cut it for you, why not add some motion? You can upload a custom GIF, perhaps from a site like Giphy. GIFs can add that dynamic flair to your callout blocks, making them eye-catching and engaging. That's all it takes to create and customize a callout block in Notion. With these steps, you can easily make your pages more functional and visually engaging. Thanks for following along and happy Notioning!